Hello everyone, this is Amit Arya working in ECB College, Bikaner. Today I will discuss about alpha beta pruning, which is an advanced case of min-max algorithm. Here, the topmost node, that is the root node, will consider as the max, like min-max algorithm. This is min, this is max, and these are the terminal nodes. What is the pruning here? Pruning we used to cut off the nodes which are not necessary or which is not necessary to explore. If you got a path which will give the optimal solution, and then it is not necessary to prune to explore the other path. So we just prune that other paths. Okay, let's begin. Here there is one condition. We consider alpha to be the maximum and beta to minimum. There is a condition that alpha is greater than or equal to beta. If this condition becomes true, then we just prune the nodes. Pruning simply means if the value here at node B, alpha value is suppose 8, 10 and beta value is 5. So here alpha is simply greater than B. So we just prune this node and we don't explore E, we do not explore the nodes which is below B. Okay, so this is just pruning means just cut off. We doesn't care about these branches. Pruning simply means to cut off the branches which doesn't matter to us. We already have got the path which is better than if we explore them, and it is time saving, so it is better than min-max algorithm. So let's start with the alpha beta pruning. Here we write maximum, minimum, maximum, and we consider the alpha to be the minus infinity and beta to be infinity. Okay, so a node has alpha to be minus infinity and beta to be infinity. It will use depth first search, so beta will also get alpha is equal to minus infinity and beta equal to infinity. Alpha equal to minus infinity, beta equal to infinity. Now, okay, this is depth first search. We move A, B, D. Now consider this. This is max. Okay, we will take the max value. Max means alpha. We will take care of alpha. So which is greater? Max alpha value is minus infinity comma 6, which is max, which is 6. Comes to 6. So that comes to be 6. Again, what is max? 6 comma 5, which comes to be again 6. So its value, alpha value, remain to be 6. So here the node, we write the node value here to be 6. Just to remember, the D node value got 6. Okay, now we move upward. We move upward this value to the node B. This value has the value, this node D has the value 6. So here this is min, this is min case. Min means we will consider beta. Only beta will be affected. Its value is 6. So here alpha beta will get the value 6. alpha equal to minus infinity, beta equal to 6. Okay, beta equal to 6. Now this is maximum case, so which is greater than max of 8 comma 6, which is greater than simply 8. So we write here to be 8, and also its value comes to be 8 here. Just beta comes to be 8. Now we move upward. This node value has 8. Okay, has value 8. Okay, now we move upward to the node B. Here this is min means beta, so beta which is has minimum value. Minimum means minimum of 6 comma 8, and actually it comes to be 6. So it has got the value, this node has got the value 6. B has node value 6. Every time you can do this calculation, you just simply write the node value there. Now move this value upward. This is max. Max means only alpha will be affected. So from the what is maximum value? This is minus infinity or 6. It's 6. We move this value, alpha equal to 6, beta equal to infinity, alpha equal to 6, beta equal to infinity. Okay, in the max case alpha will be affected. Alpha has the value here 6. Maximum of 6 or 2, 6. Maximum of 6 or 1, 6. So alpha will not change, alpha will remain here 6. But which is the maximum of 2 or 1? 2. So this has the node value 2. Its node value is 2, but its alpha value is 6. We will move forward upward. Now here this is min means beta will be affected. Its value is infinity. Here we got the value 2, which is minimum. Infinity or 2, it's 2. So alpha has the value 6, has the value 2. So this will be pruned. This will be simply pruned. We will not check this thing, we will just cut off this branch, and we got the answer 6. Okay, 6. So this got the value 6. C has got the value 6. Now we move forward. What will be affected? It's already have the value 6 and 6. So final answer is 6. So this path A, B, D and 6. This is the optimal path in which some of the nodes are pruned here and has saved time. This is about the alpha beta pruning. Its complexity has little reduced, but will also remain B, which is a branch factor, and depth. Okay, so this is just the advanced version of NUMEX algorithm. Thank you very much.